it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and
Beyond!
Yay! So today we're going to do the Bean Boozle Challenge, and the three of us, this is my daughter Sashi and this is Baba, and like I've said, we are going to do the Bean Boozle Challenge. Yeah, how exciting. Are you excited? Are you excited? What about you, Ba?
Yes.
Baba is excited, but Sashi is,
No.
I don't know, she is what? Nervous. I think Sashi is a little nervous because this is her second time in a video. The first one is we do a Korean makeup look on her, and of course I did a children's makeup on Baba. So without further ado, let's start this challenge! So I have a plate here and let's just put everything inside. So this is it, you guys. So
Ew.
which one are we going to eat first? Since we don't have that other Bean Boozle pack, they have that roulette where they spin and then they choose the which bean first to eat. But since we don't have that one, we are just going to
Pick and
choose. So which one are we going to eat first?
Vomit or peach?
Vomit. What color is that? Oh, you get a tissue first. Maybe we don't like it. Oh. So which bean are we going to try first?
Vomit or peach?
Vomit or peach. So what's the color of vomit or peach? It's a color. Like
Orange
one?
with red dots.
Oh my god, I don't like vomit.
Ew.
But you get yours.
Ew. Ah.
Let's do it together. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
I don't know if this vomit is
Ew.
but it doesn't taste like peach.
Vomit.
Tastes like shit.
Ew. I don't like the taste. We need water. So I think we don't like that one. I don't know, but the three of us got the vomit, and it tastes so. So what will be the next one?
Stinky socks or tutti frutti?
Pink. This one.
Pink.
Okay.
And
Ew. This is okay. So let's. Good luck, girls. So ready? 1, 2, 3.
Tutti frutti. Ah! Good. What is it? Wait.
Mine, tutti frutti. Dahil mo ba? You're not lucky ba? Better luck
Ew.
next time. So yeah, what would be the next?
Coconut milk.
No. Booger or juicy
Ah! Booger and
Color.
juicy
Why is it the
Mm.
why you did that? So what's this?
Booger or juicy pear?
Oh my god, booger. Okay.
One,
1, 2, 3,
go.
go.
Ah!
Mine is not.
Ew.
Juicy pear. Well, I don't know.
Ew.
I think mine is lawn clipping. I don't know. Okay. So this one, what's this called?
dog food or chocolate honey. Ew.
Okay, fine. So, ready? Get set. Go.
Ah!
Dog food. Dog food.
Dog food!
Ah! Buda. That was the most disgusting thing ever. Canned dog food. Oh my god. Are you ready for the next one? No. You want ba?
I'm glad that I didn't join.
Are you ready for the next one? Okay.
Yes.
Lawn clippings or live?
Ew.
No. So, ready?
Get
Set,
set.
go! Mine is lawn. Yuck! Now I know. Why does the goat or the carabao likes lawn clippings? So, the next one, what would it be? Rotten egg or buttered popcorn? Huh? I don't like this rotten egg. Oh my god. No. So, rotten egg has yellow and white. It's not plain white. So, are you ready? Are you ready,
Yes.
boss? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Popcorn. Mine is popcorn. Rotten egg. Yes.
Rotten egg. Ew.
Why is it yours ba always bati? Mine tastes like popcorn. Sorry. Next. Baby wipes or coconut?
Like this?
White?
White. Oh, white.
Plain white. Plain white? Okay. Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Baby wipe.
Coconut.
Ako, white. Tastes like. But you like the baby wipe?
Ew. Baby white.
Huh? You said coconut.
Yeah. Coconut.
Huh? Pag sure ba?
Baby wipes.
Baby wipe? Tastes like soap. But you like baby wipe? Why did you eat the baby?
Ew.
You like it? Oh my god, she liked the baby wipe. I think this is going to be the last one.
Or
berry blue. You're gonna have to one lang. So this one is toothpaste or berry blue. Very good. Okay, cheers first because this is the last one. Cheers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
berry blue.
Toothpaste.
Berry blue.
I think the last one is the best toothpaste because either way it tastes good. So
Berry blue.
let's try everything the white one.
What?
Because
Berry
since we
blue.
are finished,
Yay.
we are finished, so we try everything.
No.
Let's just try this white one if this is coconut or. Okay, baby wipe again. So I'm
Yeah.
trying again the coconut or the baby wipe.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Baby
wipes.
wipes. Yeah.
Do you want to still eat this one?
And what's this?
Okay. So they wanted to finish everything.
Oh, very
The blue
blue.
one. I want to finish it if this is very blue.
This piece.
Very blue.
This piece.
Yes. Very blue.
Bleh. Bleh.
Mine is still close up. So we still have some few jellies here. Sweet, what about you? You wanna eat the rest? You wanna try? You try.
No, I
Come
don't want to
here.
try. I know it
This
tastes
is
awful.
pretty.
No.
No. Okay.
Nah. Ew.
What's that?
Vomit or ew? No.
Yeah. Bleh.
What's that?
Tastes like pizza.
Pizza.
There's no pizza.
Tastes
Vomit.
like pizza.
Vomit. Pizza. Vomit. Either vomit or peach. Peach. Vomit.
I don't know.
Booger or-
It's pear. Pear?
Butter popcorn.
Popcorn? I don't think
You,
we can.
you know what? I have worse. This is not worse.
Oh my God, you're liking it. Okashi naman! Gusto no?
Other one it tastes like an egg.
Rotten egg.
But I love the taste.
Can you hurry because this is just no perfect time. My God,
No, it's
finish
good.
them all, guys.
It tastes good.
Ew.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So that completes our Bean Boozled challenge, and they have a blast. I didn't have a blast because I think I ate most of the good ones, but they had, unfortunately, they had the bad ones, especially that sorry bad. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying this video, guys. So we hope to see you in our next video. So for now, bye everyone, and we love you all.